Universidad Autónoma de Nuevo León promotes important values such as responsibility, respect, honesty, and social commitment. These values help students analyze companies in an ethical and professional way, considering not only profits but also their impact on society. For this analysis, the selected company is Grupo Lala, one of the largest and most recognized dairy companies in Mexico. Founded in 1949, the company has expanded nationally and internationally, becoming a leader in the food industry. Grupo Lala focuses on producing and selling dairy products with high standards of quality, safety, and innovation. The company also promotes sustainability and corporate responsibility. The selected product is Lala whole milk, one of the most popular products in Mexico. This milk is known for its nutritional value because it provides proteins, calcium, and vitamins, making it an essential product in many households.
I'm going to talk about Lala's background. The name Lala comes from the abbreviation of Leches La Laguna de Torreón, Coahuila. This company started in 1949 with the founding of the Milk Producers Credit Union in Torreón, Coahuila. Since then, the company has focused on the production and marketing of food, mainly in the dairy industry. As we can see in their webpage, their vision is to be the preferred dairy company in America. And as they say in their mission, feeding your life is our passion. Lala's line of business is the food industry, specializing in the production, marketing, and distribution of dairy products, derivatives, and beverages. It focuses on the mass consumption sector, with a strong leadership in milk, cheese, and yogurt in Mexico and America. Its characteristics is that it is one of the largest and leading dairy companies in Mexico and Latin America, covering 52.9% of the milk market in Mexico. It also has 21 production plants, where approximately 7 million liters of milk are produced per day. It also has more than 176 distribution centers in Mexico, the US, Brazil, and Central America. It also has a workforce that is more than 38,000 employees, as well as a fleet of more than 7,500 vehicles for the distribution of more than 600 products.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about the supply chain. This company distributes fresh dairy products, so its supply chain focuses on speed, efficiency, and strict cold chain management to maintain product quality. The structure is that, well, the process starts with the suppliers, mainly dairy farmers and ranches, where milk is collected daily under quality standards. Then it is transported to production plants where it is pasteurized and transformed into products like milk, yogurt, and cheese and cream. After that, the products are packaged and stored in refrigerated conditions. Then we have the distribution and customers. They are distributed through refrigerated trucks using established routes, reaching supermarket, convenience stores, and small shops where consumers can buy them. Here we have the product flow since the suppliers to the final consumer. Then we have like if maybe the milk it does not meet the quality standards, then they have to start again. Or maybe if there is does the product arrive in a good condition? If yes, well, it leads to the final consumer. But if not, then they have to return it or maybe do an inventory adjustment. But we have a problem that is that the main challenge is the short shelf life of these products. These can cause overstock in some areas and shortage in others, leading to waste and higher logistic costs. In conclusion, the supply chain is efficient but highly time sensitive, and it requires better demand planning to improve performance.
Three basic steps of the manufacturing processes. In Group Lala, the process begins with raw milk collection from suppliers, which is transported in refrigerated trucks to production plants. Then the milk goes through pasteurization and homogenization and packaging. Finally, the finished products are stored in refrigerated warehouses and distributed to stores while maintaining the cold chain. Transportation is crucial because dairy products must remain refrigerated. Long routes and poor planning increases fuel costs and delivery times. These reduce product shelf life and may cause storages or excess inventory. Products are stored in refrigerated warehouses before distribution. Since dairy products have a short shelf life, long storage time increase the risk of expiration and generate higher energy costs. Poor inventory planning may cause overproduction, leading to excess inventories and expiration. On the other hand, low production may create shortages. These affect supply chain efficiency. To improve performance, the company can optimize route, improve production planning, reduce storage time, and increase coordination between production, warehouses, and distribution.
Okay, so I will present the improvement proposal for the company's supply chain. And first, the main problem identified is the short shelf life of dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cream. These products require constant refrigeration and have limited storage time. Any problem in production planning, transportation, or inventory management can create serious operational problems. For example, some distribution centers may receive more products than they actually need, and this increases the risk that products expire before they are sold. At the same time, other locations may present shortage, then this means that customers cannot find the products they want. As a result, the company faces higher costs related to refrigerated storage, transportation, and product waste. To address this issue, the proposed improvement is to implement a demand-driven planning strategy supported by technology. This means using inventory management systems that monitor product levels in real time and adjust production according to actual market demand. Also, the company could optimize distribution routes and deliver smaller quantities more frequently. This will help keep products fresher in stores and reduce the accumulation of excessive inventory in warehouses. Looking at the long term, the company could implement a 5-year sustainable strategy, and this includes investing in more energy efficient refrigerated transportation, improving logistics, planning to reduce fuel consumption, and adopting recyclable and or environmentally friendly packaging. These improvements will generate several benefits. They will reduce product expiration and financial losses, improve inventory efficiency, lower transportation and storage costs, and also ensures that customers can find fresh products in stores. Overall, these actions will help the company build a more efficient, sustainable, and competitive supply chain.
ERP in Grupo Lala. Grupo Lala uses advanced ERP systems based on SAP to integrate all key areas such as production, logistics, inventory, sales, and finance. This allows real-time information flow and better coordination across the supply chain. Since Lala works with perishable products, the ERP plays a critical role in monitoring inventory, controlling storage time, and ensuring product freshness. It also supports decision-making and reduces operational errors. Proposed improvements: production based on a real demand, smaller and more frequent deliveries, use of regional distribution centers, and improved refrigerated transportation routes. Real-time inventory monitoring with ERP. These actions will reduce waste, improve delivery times, optimize inventory, and increase overall efficiency in the supply chain. In conclusion, Grupo Lala has a strong and well-structured supply chain supported by advanced technology like ERP systems. However, there are still opportunities to improve efficiency, especially in inventory management, logistics, and coordination. By implementing better planning strategies and new technologies, the company can reduce costs, minimize waste, and improve product availability.